Is it Aaron Johnson? Yeah? Okay. How old are you, Aaron?
1, 2, 3.
Okay. And you 4, huh? All right. You ever get adjusted? Does it hurt?
That's my back.
Huh? You want me to work on your back today? Anything else going on that I should be aware of?
That's my hat. It's broken.
Your hat's broken. Oh my God.
Look.
Let me take a look. Maybe it is. Maybe it is. Here we go.
This part right here,
Yes, sir.
it's broken.
All right, we better check it all out then.
Here, let me
We
have
better
that.
check everything
Let me
out.
have your hat.
Your mom's gonna hold on to that for you. Head in the middle, arms to your sides. We run a full-service clinic, but I'm not sure we could help you with the hat, you know? How's this or this?
Ow!
Ow!
Yeah, that hurts.
So let's turn on the power then, huh? Let's get things going on here. Here we go. Here we go. Here we go. Let's get you motoring like your big brother, huh?
Those are the 2 bones that hurt.
You think? Is it tender? Well, let's get you lined up so you do better, okay? Ooh, let's go. Nice and easy though, right? Here we go. Let's check every little thing from the top to the bottom, right? Alrighty. Put your head in the middle, sir. That's the way to do it, alright. Here we go. Yeah, 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 yeah. Here we go. Right there, true. So I'm using a handheld instrument to adjust his spine. And I'm checking with my hands to make sure that his spine's moving correctly. And I'm using my fingers just to slow things down because he's just 4 and we're going to take it easy. Nice and easy. Here we go. He still gets adjusted. We still line up the bones, and this guy is very active. We want to make sure that he grows up straight and strong, and that all the bones are lined up so that he could be as healthy as he was meant to be, so he could reach his true potential. Here we go.
The bones keep climbing over each other.
You think they're climbing over each other? That could be true. With those adjustments, you should do real well. And I'm going to lift you up. Are you ready? Take a deep breath in. Here we go. That's the way. There you go. All right. Take a step back when you can. All right. Let's go talk to Dee Dee a little bit. Let's stand right over here. How did that feel? People wonder if it felt really good. All right. I appreciate your cooperation.
Yeah, I said when I was laying down.
Yeah? All righty. We appreciate you. Yeah, give them a kiss. All righty.